Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from Zelle to GCash. Need to send money from Zelle to GCash? While there's no direct way, here's a simple workaround. Step 1. Send the money through Zelle to someone with a US bank account like your trusted family or friend. Once they receive the funds, use a remittance service like Western Union, PayPal, or Wise to send the money to GCash. Choose GCash as the delivery option. Confirm the details and send the money easy, right? Compare services for the best exchange rates and lowest fees to get the most value. With just a few extra steps, sending money from Jelly to Gcash is a breeze. Try it today. Check your remittance options and start sending with ease. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively transfer money from Zelle to Gcash despite the lack of a direct transfer option. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And that's it. Thanks for watching.